pieces in the back that don't know how to act, the kitchen in the back, just do a little twirly twirl. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video made with love by yours truly. Today I'm going to be filming how I untwist my hair to get a successful, super defined, super bouncy, luscious, twist out. And I'll be showing you the products that I use to achieve it and some really super cute and easy hairstyles that you can rock with your amazing twist out, okay? And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and some comments down below, and stay tuned for more. Alright, so to begin this video, I am going to untwist my twists, and these twists are actually from my last video. I said I was going to post the results, so this can be like the results of that twist out. It wasn't a detailed video. I'm probably going to do a video on how to do a twist out later on in this journey, but let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Eden Body Works Scalp Massaging Serum, and it doesn't have to be this. In general, I like to put oil in my hair. Oh, it's not even open. I like to put oil on my scalp before I untwist, just to, nourish. Just gonna massage it into my head. It's like feels so good because it adds like a cooling element to your scalp. It feels nice. All right, I might have added too much because it's like seeping into my hair. All right, step 2. I'm gonna use my Cashmere and Caviar hair serum from the company Curls. It's from their Cashmere and Caviar collection. It's just a serum that helps add shine and strengthen your hair. It looks like this. Ooh. So it's like slick, and then when you rub it in your hands, it becomes like an oil consistency. I only use this much, so whatever you just saw on my palm, that's what I'm going to use my whole head. And I just put these on the actual twist itself to add some moisture, lock in whatever is going to happen when I unravel these twists. Alright, now I'm just going, I usually just go like this, like the opposite direction that they were twisted in, and then boom. So separate each twist, and yeah, let's just do that to the whole head. Alright, once all these twists are out, I'm just gonna show you real quick what they look like. This is before I actually untwist the twists. This is just, you can rock this, I guess, maybe. I don't know. It's not fluffy enough for me, so we're gonna make it even better. So now what I like to use again, I don't know if this is too much oil for you guys. I just like when my hair looks shiny, and to go back to the Cashmere, it's very lightweight. I know it looked like I put on a lot, but my hair just looks shiny now, but it's my hair doesn't feel weighed down. It's just very light. This, on the other hand, this glaze, this is the cocoa butter formula. I don't know why I said formula. This is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Shine Glaze Serum from Palmer's. This is thick. Now, I'm not going to use a lot of this. What I do is I just put a line of it on my hands, and as I'm pulling the strands apart, so now, usually I take them, you just want to separate the curls. And it's good to have a little bit more oil on your hands when you do it. Alright, so now that I have untwisted my whole head, I'm gonna go in with my pick, and I just do my top loop, so just to give it a lift. I don't really know how to use these picks, honestly. I just be doing what I think I should do with it, and you know, just add some oomph. I don't know why I said just the top, I meant just the roots. So I do back here too. It just makes it look a little bit bigger, and yeah. Once I'm done, usually if I'm just gonna wear my hair like this, I just go in with my edge brush and some edge control, do my edges. But this is basically how it's gonna look. So these are the results from this twist out, and now let's get into some really cute hairstyles. Alright, so obviously look one is just, you know, twist and go. You take out the twist and you just out. Alright, look number two is half up, half down. So alright, look two. Look number three is half up, half down bun style. Look number four. I'm going to do the space buns, you know, half up, half down still, but space bun style. Two buns. I think that's the name for it. You know, got the little space buns. Boom. Look five is a bun, a high bun with bangs. So usually I just bring my hair all the way up, and then whatever hair that's in the front that falls will just stay in the front. Cute. I like this one. I like this style a lot because, you know, who don't want some hair in their face? Nah. Alright. Alright, the next style, which will be style number 6, is 2 low puffs. So like I said, if I was wearing this style out, I would sleek my hair. Look 7. I think I'm gonna try and do 10. Honestly, I'm just doing look. I'm just thinking on the top of my head the looks that I've done before with this. So I've done the low puff. Why is my edge control that I used was the edge booster. I really like this edge control because it's the only edge control that slicks my edges down, but for some reason every time I use it, it like makes it look white like after the fact, and I don't like that, but what you gonna do? Alright, is this 8? Look 8 maybe? I'm not too sure. Look 8 with the twist ponytail. And last look, look 10. Just bring it up. Usually if you got these little, you know, little pieces in the back that don't know how to act, the kitchen in the back, just do a little twirly twirl, some gel, and it gonna act right. But yeah, those were my 10 looks. This is the wrap. What? This is the wrap? I hate myself. Alright guys, so those are some of my super easy, like 2-second easy hairstyles that you guys can do to go just about anywhere. You can go to the club, you can go to the supermarket, you can go out with your friends, whatever you're doing. These are the hairstyles that you can use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because I don't know what you're doing if you didn't, because I'll be posting way more videos, way more tutorials, giving some more advice, and just, you know, having fun with you guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Any requests, leave it down below. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Bye.